Do you enjoy helping people? Do you want to make a difference in the lives of others? Are you looking to work in an exciting and highly respected field? Then we are ready for you. Here at Nicolet College, we prepare our associate degree nursing students to jump right into the workforce as a registered nurse or continue their education through one of our many transfer agreements. To be the best nurse, you need the best training. Here at Nicolet College, we begin right away in your first semester nursing courses, real-world, hands-on experiences in the clinical and laboratory settings. After your first year of your core nursing program, you can sit for the licensed practical nurse examination and receive your technical diploma, or continue in the nursing program to complete your registered nurse associate's degree.
The small class size is really nice because you can get close to your peers, and from there you can have study groups together, which I really like to do, and then you get more one-on-one with the teacher, which is really helpful. They hold us to high standards, that's for sure, and they expect a lot of us. They help us with professionalism, making sure we know all of our skills for when we get out into clinical, and just making sure we're respectful to the patients.
Because we want to meet your schedule and support your lifestyle, we offer instruction in various modalities such as online, in the classroom, and also in the field at various healthcare organizations in our community. We have state-of-the-art simulation labs, technology-enhanced classrooms, and partner with various healthcare organizations in the community to get you that hands-on experience. Our nursing program is designed to meet your schedule and support your lifestyle, and ultimately lead you to the job that you want as a registered nurse anywhere in the world. On a recent employer satisfaction survey, when asked if an employer would hire a Nicolet nursing student graduate again or refer that student graduate to another employer, 100% of employers said yes, they would definitely do that. Find out why so many students select Nicolet College to begin their journey in becoming a registered nurse.